Total Helium is a publicly traded helium exploration, production, and storage solutions company supplying American high-tech industries with high-grade green helium. Total Helium is listed on the TSX Venture Exchange as TOH and on the US OTC as TTLHF. What battery metals are to gigafactories, helium is to everything from scientific research, medical technology, and high-tech manufacturing to space exploration and national defense. Chemically inert and lighter than air, helium is a unique element that cannot be synthesized and has no substitutes. Found trapped beneath the Earth, Total Helium employs wells to capture helium from below. At the Pinta South field in Arizona's prolific Holbrook Basin, helium production is achieving a rapid turnaround, with significant expansion potential to drill more high-grade, low-cost wells. Pinta South is free of hydrocarbons, with nitrogen as the sole byproduct, easily vented into the atmosphere through processing with no greenhouse emissions, producing what we call green helium. Total Helium has partnered with the world's largest industrial gas and chemicals manufacturing company, including funding for pipeline construction and offtake agreement for the first 10 wells. Finally, to put storage into our equation, we are collaborating to establish an underground helium hydrogen storage facility to support America's industrial markets. Total Helium is ascending to new heights, thanks not only to its high-grade American asset, but also to its echelon of decision-makers and business pioneers. Led by CEO Robert B. Price, each member of Total Helium's executive team is distinguished in the fields of energy, finance, and business development. With a rapidly growing market and strong pricing trend, Total Helium aims to secure the market gap for this critical element with a remarkable character. Total Helium, safeguarding American helium for American high-tech industries.